Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another Sega CD game. And it's going to be Jeopardy! Let's see how it goes. We played Wheel of Fortune for the Sega CD a few segments ago and won nearly 50 grand in cash and prizes.
Welcome. Let's play Jeopardy.
Let's do it.
How many players? Please enter your name. Please enter your name.
Oh, wait, no. I want her to be a computer player. My bad. So we have to restart. Sorry. Hello.
Welcome. Let's play Jeopardy. How many players? Please enter your name. In the Jeopardy round, one daily double will appear in one of these categories.
And they are... Name the decade. Okay. That's a good one. First ladies. Alright. Business and industry. That's another good one. We also have proverbs. There's a lot of them. Novel characters. And the last category is... hodgepodge. A little bit of everything. Alright.
Contestant number 1.
I'll take first ladies, or business and industry for 100.
For $100.
This company began as Socona Iron in South Bethlehem, Pennsylvania in 1857.
Contestant number 1. You'll have 60 seconds to provide your response.
What is Bethlehem Steel?
Yes.
Okay.
For $200. Answer?
This company produces the MD-11 jetliner, a descendant of its DC-10.
Contestant number 1.
Wait, stop it. What is McDonnell Douglas?
Yes.
Okay, business industry.
For $300.
Maker of cars and Diamond Vision big screen TVs. Its name means three diamonds in Japanese.
Contestant number 1.
What is Mitsubishi?
Yes. Select again. For $400.
In 1989, the Salt and Chemical Company spun off the Dialcool Corporation.
Contestant number 1.
What is Morton?
Yes. Select again. For $500. The answer there is
Care Bears, Strawberry Shortcake, and Ziggy cards were all produced by this company, not Hallmark.
contestant number 1.
What is American Greetings?
Yes. Select again.
Okay. First Lady's 100.
For $100.
In 1933, she graduated near the top of her class from the University of Texas.
Contestant number 1.
Who is Lady Bird Johnson?
Yes. That's correct. For $200. The answer is
Her 1984 book, Seafred's Story, was inspired by another of the family dogs.
contestant number 1.
Who is Barbara Bush?
Yes. Select again. For $300.
In 1975, the Anti-Defamation League of B'nai B'rith honored her for her support of women's rights.
Contestant number 1.
I'll just say who's Pat Nixon, but I really don't know.
Sorry, incorrect. Anyone else? Contestant number 3.
Oh, Betty Ford. Like I said, I had no idea.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
For $300,
When established by George Washington in 1782, it was called the Badge of Military Merit.
contestant number 1.
Oh, what is the Purple Heart?
Yes, that's correct.
I'll take Hodgepodge for 100.
For $100. The answer there is...
In the 1850s, John B. Bibb of Frankfort, Kentucky, developed a variety of this vegetable.
Contestant number 1.
What is lettuce?
Yes, that's correct. For $200.
This marine biologist's 1962 book Silent Spring pointed out the dangers of using pesticides.
Contestant number 1.
Who is Rachel Carson?
Yes, select again.
I'll take Hodgepodge for 400.
For $400.
On October 8th, 1989, Galileo was launched on a journey to study this planet's atmosphere.
Contestant number 1.
What is... Jupiter?
Good job. $500.
This school in West Lafayette, Indiana was named for the merchant who donated land and money to it.
Contestant number 1.
What is Purdue University? Or just Purdue? Yep.
Yes, select again.
First Ladies for 400.
For $400. The answer there is...
Though through her brother, a student at West Point, Julia Boggs Dent met this future husband and president.
Contestant number 1.
Who is Ulysses S. Grant?
Yes, that's correct.
First Ladies for 500.
For $500. Answer?
Her first husband, John Todd, an infant son, died in the Philadelphia yellow fever epidemic of 1793.
Contestant number 1.
Who is Dolly Madison?
Yes, that's correct.
I'll take name the decade for 100.
For $100. The answer is
The Emancipation Proclamation is
contestant
issued.
number 1.
What are the 1860s?
Yes, that's correct.
Name the decade 200.
For $200.
The Viet Cong attacked several South Vietnamese cities on Tet, the lunar holiday.
Contestant number 1.
What are the 1960s?
Yes, that's correct.
Name the decade for 300, please.
For $300.
Bing Crosby's White Christmas tops the music charts for the first time.
Contestant number 1.
What are the 1940s?
Yes.
Name the decade for 400, please.
For $400.
The Statue of Liberty is dedicated in New York Harbor.
Contestant number 1.
What are the 1880s?
Yes, that's correct.
And then the decade for 500.
For $500.
Colonists disguised as Indians empty 342 chests of tea into Boston Harbor.
Contestant number 1.
What are the 1770s?
Yes, select again.
Novel characters 100.
For $100.
Captain Morton, Ensign Keith, Douglas Roberts.
Contestant number 1.
What is Mr. Roberts? That's not right?
I'm sorry, that's wrong.
Really? Oh, Mr. We had to, okay. Not put the whole word Mr., but put the abbreviation. Oh, well, keep going.
For $200.
Count Bronsky, Stefan Oblonsky,
Contestant number
Alexei
1.
Karenin. What is, Anna Karenina?
Yes.
Let's take novel characters for 300, please.
For $300. Here is the clue.
Ralph Simon Piggy.
Contestant number 1.
What is the Lord of the Flies? What is Lord of the Flies?
Yes, select again.
For 400, please, same category.
For $400.
Otto Fuchs, Jim Burden, Antonia Shimerda.
Contestant number 1.
What is my Antonia?
Yes, select again. For $500. The answer is
Lord Bullingdon, Lady Lyndon Redmond Berry.
contestant number 1.
What is Barry Lyndon?
Yes. Select.
All that's left is Proverbs, and we know the Daily Double's in that category. Let's start with 100. Yep, there it is.
It's the Daily Double. What would you like to wager?
True, this never grows old. What is love?
Yes. Select.
True love never grows old.
For $200.
Little strokes fell great ones.
Contestant number 1.
What are oaks?
Correct. For $300, let's take a look at the answer.
This English bridge was made for wise men to go over and fools to go under.
Contestant number 1.
What is London Bridge?
Correct. For $400, the answer is...
According to a Russian proverb, an egg is dear on this holiday.
Contestant number 1.
What is Easter?
Yes, that's correct.
Last clue.
For $500,
Spanish proverb tells us the fish dies because he opens this.
contestant number 1.
What is, his mouth?
Yes, that's correct.
$14,800 at the end of the Jeopardy round. Let's play double Jeopardy.
In Double Jeopardy, there are 2 daily doubles somewhere on the board in these categories.
Let's take a look at them. Author's birthplace says science and engineering, fashion history, the Declaration of Independence, dams, and finally, go fish. I like that one.
Contestant number 2. For $600,
Once upon a time, these two brothers were born in the small Hessian town of Hanau.
contestant number 1.
Who are the brothers Grimm?
You'll have 60 seconds to provide your response. Yes, that's correct.
Could we have author's birthplaces for 200, please?
For $200, here is the clue.
Because of this birthplace, this author could have called himself Mississippi Williams.
Contestant number 1.
Who's Tennessee Williams?
Yes, select.
Author's birthplaces for 400.
For $400, the answer there is...
In this literary family, the pair was born in Villars-Quartet in the Filles in Paris.
Contestant number 1.
Who is Alexander Dumas?
Good job.
Okay, let's keep it going.
For $800,
This lake poet wasn't born in a lake, but in Cockermouth in the Lake District in 1770.
contestant number
Who
1.
is Samuel Taylor Coleridge?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
That's wrong.
that is not right. We're looking for William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. All right. Okay, 1,000, please.
For $1,000,
Arthur Conan Doyle was not only born in a Scottish city, he earned an MD from his university.
contestant number 1.
He was born in Edinburgh, Scotland.
Yes. Select again.
I will take the Declaration. No, dams for 200.
For $200, here is the clue.
This dam on the Arizona-Nevada border was named for an ex-president by a 1947 act of Congress.
Contestant number 1.
What is the Hoover Dam?
Good job.
I'll take dams for 400, please.
For $400,
This dam supplies more than 25% of Egypt's power.
contestant number 1.
What is the Aswan Dam?
Yes. Select again.
I'll take dams for 600, please.
For $600,
Fort Peck Dam stretches about 4 miles across the Missouri in this Big Sky state.
contestant number 1.
What is Montana?
Yes. That's correct.
I'll take dams for 800, please.
For $800,
Franklin D. Roosevelt Lake was created by this dam on the Columbia River.
contestant number 1.
What is the Grand Coulee Dam?
Yes. That's correct.
Dams for 1,000, please.
For $1,000,
Asia's largest dam, in terms of volume, is the Tarbela Dam on this river in Pakistan.
contestant number 1.
What is the Indus River?
Yes. That's correct.
Yep. Declaration of Independence for 200.
For $200,
The 3 inalienable rights mentioned in the text of the document.
contestant number 1.
What are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness?
Good job.
Okay. Declaration of Independence for 400, please.
For $400,
Appropriately, this state had the least number of signers with 2.
contestant number 1.
What is Pennsylvania? It's not Pennsylvania? Really?
Oh, sorry. That's not right.
It's not Pennsylvania.
Contestant number 2.
Rhode Island. Okay.
Right. For $200, the answer is...
You don't have to be a college graduate to live in one of these educational groups of fish.
Contestant number 1.
What is a school? What are schools?
Correct.
Go fish for 400.
For $400.
Some cavefish have a heightened sense of touch because they lack this sense entirely.
Contestant number 1.
What is smell?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
That's wrong. Contestant number 3.
Sight. Okay.
Yes. For $600, the answer there is...
A small silvery minnow, or an adjective that describes a Dickens house.
Contestant number 1.
What is bleak?
Yes.
Wow.
For $800,
Treacherous greedy person, or an elongated pike-like fish known for its sharp teeth.
contestant number 1.
What is a barracuda?
Yes, that's correct. For $1,000,
Appropriate name of the largest mackerel.
contestant number 1.
What is the king mackerel?
Yes, select again.
I'll take Declaration of Independence for 6.
For $600,
Since December 5th, 1952, the Declaration of Independence has been on display in this building.
contestant number 1.
What is the National Archives?
Yes. Select again. For $800, the answer there is...
The declaration contains 18 grievances, all charged to him.
Contestant number 1.
Who was... Who was the king? I don't know. I have no idea. It's not telling me.
I'm sorry, that's wrong.
King George III. Alright. King George III. I'd be more specific.
The answer there is one of the 2 daily doubles. What would you like to wager?
John Hancock signed the Declaration of Independence in this official capacity. What is first? No.
Sorry, that's incorrect.
I have no clue. President of the Second Continental Congress. Yeah, I would not have gotten that. Oh well. Lost all my money, but that's okay. We'll get some back.
It's a daily double. How much would you like to bet?
A bird, a Catholic official, or a scarlet cloak worn by women of the 1700s. What is a cardinal?
Yes, that's correct.
Got $1,000 back. We're good. Let's keep going.
For $400.
Scarapelli was noted for whitening this part of her wedding.
Contestant number 1.
Padding. What are lapels? Or shoulders. I don't know.
Right. For $600, answer?
In the 1880s and 1890s, these garments named for Amelia were fashionable bicycling attire.
Contestant number 1.
Oh, what are bloomers?
Yes. Select again. For $800,
19th century style whiskers shaped like the cut of meat for which they're named.
contestant number 1.
What are mutton chops?
Yes. Select again. For $1,000,
A proper 18th century man wore his peruke on this part of his body.
contestant number 1.
What is the neck? What?
I'm sorry. That's
Oh,
wrong.
never mind. His head, right, okay. Okay, let me have, signs and
For
drinks.
$200,
This storage device can be a wet cell or a dry cell.
contestant number 1.
What is a battery?
Yes. Select again. For $400,
In October 1957, the number of these orbiting the Earth doubled to 2.
contestant number 1.
What are satellites?
Yes. Select again. For $600,
Though he sketched one in 1843, the helicopter really didn't get off the ground until 1939.
contestant number 1.
Who was, Leonardo da Vinci.
Correct. For $800,
This Austrian was the first to study the effect motion has on sound waves.
contestant number 1.
Who is Christian Doppler?
Yes. Select. For $1,000, answer.
This substance from wood pulp is liquefied and forced through spinnerets to make rayon.
Contestant number 1.
What is cellulose?
Right.
Okay, Final Jeopardy coming up.
We're back for Final Jeopardy. And the final Jeopardy category for today is...
Dramatis Personae.
Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1, what would you like to wager? The final Jeopardy clue is...
The three characters who die in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet are Romeo, Juliet, and this person.
Good luck.
Who's Friar Lawrence? Oh, I misspelled his name, but that's okay.
Contestant number 2. Contestant number 2, how much would you like to bet? The final Jeopardy clue is... You'll have 60 seconds to provide your response. Good luck. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3, what would you like to wager? The final Jeopardy clue is... You'll have 60 seconds to provide your response. Good luck. Contestant number 2, we'll start with you. Let's see what your response was. No, I'm afraid that is not correct. And your final Jeopardy wager was... Your total? Contestant number 3, let's see what your response was. Oh, I'm sorry, that's wrong. And your final Jeopardy wager was... Your total? Contestant number 1, let's see what your response was. Sorry, that's incorrect.
Yeah, I misspelled it, so I end up with $4,045, which isn't bad.
And your final Jeopardy wager was... Your total?
See you all for another game, everybody. Oh, Paris! Paris! Alright.
Contestant number 1, you are now the reigning Jeopardy champion.
So I would have been wrong regardless. It's okay. I'll see you all for another game right after this. Ugh.